Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, I want to share my incredible experience at the Edge Hotel in Pattaya, Thailand, a place that honestly exceeded all my expectations.
You are watching a master at work.
Let me tell you why this spot might just become your next favorite getaway. First off, let's talk about the rooms. Now, while they might not be the biggest you've ever seen, they're absolutely packed with amazing features that'll make you feel right at home. I'm talking about a fully equipped kitchen where you can whip up your favorite meals, a washing machine that's perfect for longer stays, and wait until you see the bathroom. It's like stepping into the future with its state-of-the-art design and fixtures. But here's what really got me, the bed. Oh my goodness! I've stayed in plenty of hotels, but this bed was something else. It's the kind of comfortable that makes you want to skip your morning plans and just stay wrapped in those clouds they call sheets for a few more hours. Now let me take you to the crown jewel of this place, the top floor. The views up there, absolutely breathtaking. You can see the vibrant city of Pattaya stretching out before you, and the swimming pool. It's not just any pool, it's an infinity pool that makes you feel like you're floating above the city. Right next to it, there's a gym that's so well equipped, it actually makes you want to work out. I mean, who wouldn't want to exercise while enjoying panoramic views of the city? One of the things that really sets the Edge apart is their visitor policy. Unlike many hotels that have strict guest rules, this place is super welcoming. Whether you're meeting friends or having family over, there's no hassle. It's refreshingly open and friendly. Location-wise, perfect. You're right in the heart of Pattaya, which means everything you could want is just a stone's throw away. Fancy a relaxing massage? There are plenty of spas nearby. Looking for some nightlife? The bars are right there. Hungry? You're surrounded by restaurants serving everything from local Thai delicacies to international cuisine. But what really makes the Edge special is the overall atmosphere. There's this incredible vibe that's hard to put into words. From the moment you step in, you feel this energy. It's modern, it's exciting, it's alive. Whether you're chilling by the pool, working out in the gym, or heading out to experience Pattaya's famous nightlife, everything just feels right. The Edge isn't just a hotel, it's an experience. It's where comfort meets convenience, where luxury meets practicality, and where the essence of Pattaya's vibrant spirit comes alive. Whether you're here for a few days or a few weeks, this place has everything you need to make your stay in Thailand unforgettable. So if you're planning a trip to Pattaya and want to be in the middle of all the action while still having a luxurious place to retreat to, the Edge Hotel should definitely be at the top of your list. Trust me, you won't regret it.